What we've done is
superimposed,
and using photogrammetric analysis by superimposing a grid and a ruler onto both images. And we used two images, one of Lee Oswald and the other one of Billy Lovelady, and they have been flipped. Okay. They have been flipped from other images. However, we also did a study on the symmetrical properties of both of the individuals.
And the interpupillary distances and everything.
That's right,
else.
and studying interpupillary distances between the two. And what we have come up with here is this study which confirms to a very high degree of certainty that the man in the doorway is actually Lee Oswald. Here, this is a study using Billy Lovelady, and what we want to focus on here is the shadow under the nose. When we lined up both images onto Doorman, we were able to show that the shadow under the nose fits Lee Oswald, the image of Lee Oswald, better than the image of Billy Lovelady. Not only that, the areas of the eyebrows are higher on Billy Lovelady. The nose is more bulbous.
Yeah.
It's larger and it's displaced from the actual shadow. Okay, the distance between the lips and the chin are different, and they do not line up as well as they do with Lee Oswald.
And that's with all the blurriness. But you see, we have photo recognition, programs today that can do this kind of thing.
Facial overlay technology is an accepted branch of forensics used in just about every area of criminal investigation. Biometrics is a science that is used for facial recognition. Not only is it used in, for example, individuals.
I'd just like you to present who you are in training. So.
Well, just a researcher who has been doing a lot of research on not only the man in the doorway, but many different areas of the JFK case. But anyway, to resume...
he's had scientific training, he's just not going to say so.
I don't want to,
toot your horn?
No, I don't want to invade your presentation here. I just wanted to explain here. If you can go to the next slide. What we do here is now, once we have the photogrammetric study, when you draw lines across, you can see that the red line under the chin here protrudes. What we did, we actually tried to line up as much as possible both images, and even trying to bring the chin up as much as possible.
And Lovelady has a bigger head,
yes.
So you have to take that into consideration. Like my head is not the same size as somebody else's head.
That's right. And so when we, just by bringing these three red lines across, you can see that there's quite a bit of difference here. And this is just a simple photogrammetric study of the two images, and that's...
Okay, so now we're not finished with this, but we're doing it, and we're following as many scientific standards as we can, and we're by no means finished with this, but it's getting awfully close now, and thank you very much.